Welcome to this Neve Custom Series 75 tutorial on signal flow. Firstly, if we're using condenser mics, we'll turn on phantom power. Now we can turn up the gain dial and we will see signal on the meter bridge. From here we will move down to the fader and bring it to unity to send the signal over to the main section. Over in the main section, we can now bring our master fader up to unity. We now have signal on the meter bridge, indicating the signal has made it to the master output. From here, we unmute and gradually turn up the volume dial, and sound is now coming from the speakers. This was breaking down the basics, a Neve Custom Series 75 tutorial. Thanks for watching.